shall we bury the head too?
Xenia, are you crazy? We're planning to kill him. Just conduct an experiment.
I thought he annoyed you too.
Have you completely lost your minds? What the hell? Did you want to kill me or something? I just wanted to ask you to help with my experiment. What did you start doing, huh? And why the hell did you tape my face? Really? I asked for the experiment to be filmed during the day, not in the morning. Do you understand that the sun is cold, every time? I can't assign you anything to do properly, can I? Are you out of your minds putting a bucket on my head right now? Seriously, you guys are sick, aren't you? Are you crazy sitting on top of me right now? Please take it off. Come on, you guys. Please remove the bucket. Seriously, if you take it off. You guys really put this on my head right now. Well, seriously, have you guys gone mad? You really put a bucket on my head right now. Stop, take it off the bucket. Are you sick or something? This is no longer a joke. What the hell? Get out of here. Please. Thank you for that. Oh, hello everyone, you guys, and today we have another experiment for you. And by the way, this is the very first experiment that we did not spend any money on. We didn't have to buy 1,000 things at all. In short, the essence of this experiment is to find out if it's possible to get out of the sand. Well, and if possible, we'll find out how long that it takes, you know what I mean? And also, really, this experiment will be divided into 2 parts. The first time, they bury me horizontally, like they already did. And the second time, Artem and I will be buried, but this time just vertically. Oh, in this first scenario, I'm confident that I'll get out, but in the second one, I'm sure that I won't. Well, you guys, let's try this out, and we'll see how this all goes. And please, remove this damn bucket. Thank you.
Well, let's start the stopwatch and observe what's happening now.
Let's do it. Damn, it's not as easy as it seems. Oh, okay, I'll start with this. With my hands right here, maybe. They're not too deep, so when they bury us vertically, I suppose that it won't be the same. The sand is quite heavy. But that was actually pretty easy, because they buried me very lightly. Let's try this again then, but this time with our team together for time, and we'll bury ourselves much deeper, horizontally again.
Matt said that he was buried quite easily, but despite that, he managed to get out in just 1 minute and 26 seconds.
If I start shouting from there and say that I'm dying, please dig me out, okay?
We'll be making fun of you.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey. Great.
Hello. You're such a jerk. We didn't agree to get in each other's way right here.
I'm starting to realize that I can't lift my legs. I can try to climb out, but... Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die! Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die!
Edison, what are you doing?
Digging myself out.
It looks to me that you're doing something else. You know, maybe you're trying to dig yourself with something else? I came up with the tactic. It's not working.
It's a good tactic.
Come on!
Here. I got more for you.
Thank you.
No, thank you. I'll try this way. Here you go. All right.
3.5 minutes have passed.
None of that counts! Got it.
How are you doing?
Almost there. I'm close. Oh, yeah.
So, I claimed out in 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Artem in
4 minutes and 13 seconds.
That's me. These are the results today, and now we move on to the next challenge, where we will bury ourselves, you know, vertically. But before that happens, we'll go take a quick swim.
Actually, burying ourselves vertically will be extremely unpleasant. Because first, the legs will go numb, then the hands. Hopefully, nothing else goes numb this time.
You meant to say less, right?
And we encountered one problem. The holes became too narrow to scoop out the dirt.
So the logical solution was simply to connect these 2 holes together right here. And honestly, you guys, this is much harder than we thought, really. Whew. Yeah. Where's screwed? I don't know how we're gonna get out of here, but it's time to get in. So let's do this. Ah. Well, Nikita, stop filming and bury us.
All right.
By the way, you guys, initially, Artem and I were planning to bury ourselves together, but then we dug a much bigger hole, and we thought, like, why waste the space here? And there's Jenya standing here. Are you happy, Jenya? It's more fun.
If anything, we'll die together.
Rest in, Sen.
So, you guys, unfortunately, we're no longer willing to take the risk of burying ourselves. We initially planned to bury ourselves after next, but now it seems that we definitely lack oxygen and it's very difficult. The experiment turned out to be much more dangerous than it seemed at first, you know. And if we had buried ourselves after next, as we planned earlier, we would probably not have been able to dig ourselves out. Let's start digging ourselves out because it's generally becoming very scary. Panic is setting in because, well, it's very hard to breathe. So are we all ready? What do you guys say, guys?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Be quiet. Let's do it gradually.
I can't move in this. I'm
I
gradually
don't
losing
know.
mobility. I can only twitch. Don't hit me in the nose. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, screw you, man. I'm almost at
Man, that's hard.
Oh, shit.
No, don't do it.
it.
Don't
I
do it.
can't move. I'm pushing Jenya. Can you go back a little? Just a little.
Yeah, a little bit.
I can't.
It's very dangerous, you guys, and I can confidently tell you. If someone ever buries you in sand, then you definitely will not be able to get out.
Yeah. Oh. I managed to extend my right arm.
Can you dig out a little for me, too? Honestly, you guys, if we were buried up to our necks, we would never, no matter how hard we tried, ever dig ourselves out of this, especially if we were just burying one person.
Because we're buried together as a group, there are at least small interconnected space in between us where we can move our fingers, hands, and so on. But still, it's difficult.
Give me something to drink.
Natasha, you're so kind.
Thank you.
Oh, what a gentleman I am. Here you go, Jenya. Why are you spitting it out, dude? I'll drink it myself.
No, don't do it. Oh.
Can someone give me a shovel? Or a stick?
It's not fair. You're in the desert. You got buried by bandits.
All
You see
right.
it?
Can you please? Yeah,
We're
right
making
here.
a contribution to the future. Later, Jenya will dig us all out. So, you guys, we've come up with a tactic. Basically, to make it easier to dig ourselves out, we won't each dig ourselves separately because that way we're just digging at the same level, you know, and it'll be damn hard for us to get out of here. The tactic is that we'll dig out one person here, and then they'll climb out, and we'll simply just shift and all come out in one spot. I really hope that it works.
Those bandits are stupid. They buried 3 people at once in one hole.
All right, let's go forward. Sink in. Oh, it's all falling on back.
Yeah.
I can say the experience that we have hardly helped us in this.
He's out.
You jerk!
But it didn't work for me at all.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I can move to the left.
I can't.
That hurts.
No.
All right, bro. So tell me, how are you doing? And most importantly, why did you put on the socks?
Well, I put on socks so that the sand doesn't get through my toes. It's not the most pleasant feeling. Other than that, everything's good.
I'll stay here. It's not working.
Here, behind you.
Actually, this is really getting annoying.
Max, try to dig here, just like that.
For me, it's hard right here, and soft behind me.
Let's try again. Just stand on me. My feet aren't stuck. That's it. Oh, yeah.
Tell me, Artem, how are you feeling?
You know, personally, the experiment was for nothing. because I gained something valuable.
I suppose that I won't leave empty-handed either.
Can I pull you out?
No, I can manage. Hooray! Oh my god, this is amazing. You guys, you just can't imagine how great it feels to climb out of all of there. I've started to love life. My legs stopped working. Actually, I think that I just had a lot of water accumulated in my right pocket and it really whipped me down. All right, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this kind of experiment and is extremely unique and most importantly budget-friendly. We can do experiments like this every day. If you liked this, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Well, good luck to everyone, and
Bye.
Bye-bye.
bye! It's not deep again.